Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, especially in this case because I've done this a couple last week. I don't remember the exact days, but the nice thing about my chart provider eSignal is whenever I put up annotations, the software remembers where they are. So the last time I did it, I talked about this level right here at $2 being denoted by the green line as a level of support, and surprise, surprise, look right where the price bounced off of and essentially closed right at that $2 mark. So that really, pretty much summarizes that the bulls have a very important day because they've already lost a couple of the key moving averages. The price is already now well below that purple line, which is the 50 period. And then today, during that final 30 minutes, the price actually broke below the very, very important 200 period simple moving average. And that's not my opinion. I mean, if you don't trust me, I'm not offended at all. I fully realize that I'm just some stranger on the internet. But find somebody that you do trust, that uses charts and understands charts, and ask them, hey, is the 200 period a pretty important level in the world of charts? And they'll say, yeah, the 200 period is definitely one of those key and very important level moving averages, and the price has broken down below it. But that's where this green line comes into play because, yeah, the price is broken below those levels, but if I scrunch things up here, you can see that the bulls still have an opportunity where, let's say this green line does indeed hold. So let's just say that for example's sake, it goes sideways here a little bit and then eventually heads back up. What would you have at this point in time? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down here. Previous set of lows, would be right around here. So from the big picture perspective, you'd still have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's what you want. Now, I fully realize that if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2 seconds after buying, then yeah, you couldn't care less about any of this. So I am definitely making these statements geared towards those of you that care about a grand scheme perspective. So $2, very important for that reason. Now, if the price cannot hold above $2, the next key overall area of support down here at the bottom of this previous channel, which sits at the $1.85 mark. So $2, $1.85, next couple key levels of support. So we'll see if the bulls can maintain above $2 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.